What's up, guys? We are back with another auction walk around, man. This one, I'm actually kind of late to this one, so I'm just gonna do a quick walk around if I can. I don't know if my camera's gonna die, but we'll just show you what they have for really quick. If something stands out, I'll definitely show you. This Avenger might be cool right here. It's actually wound in the front. Definitely whammed in the front, but it looks like it could be an easy fix. I don't know, we'd have to check the mileage. Let's keep walking around here. Let's see. They got the freaking green little Tahoe truck. Motor looks to be intact. I don't know if you can open these doors or not. Oh yeah, I believe you can. Let's check them out. This one is pretty whooped. 300C here on rims. Look like it's overheating or something. Yeah, and some antifreeze in there. Motor just looks really bad though. Nothing really that stands out. I got a bunch of trucks and stuff they're selling here though. Bunch of little trucks. This one looks pretty fair. I like the color on this one. Inside is super whipped, so we'll keep moving. Got a cool little Ford F-150 work truck here. Yeah, the inside of this is really clean. This one's definitely clean on the inside. You got your own little station back here, which is pretty cool too. So this might be something nice to bid on. Oh, they got a Nissan Versa here. This one's probably got a ton of miles. Motor looks whooped. Alternator looks whooped. Inside of this is pretty whooped. But if you can get this thing cheap enough, I'd definitely buy it. Oh, this is a Sentra, by the way. Okay, so I think this is it right here. But yeah, you guys see they got a little Volvo Ford back there. All in all, it's probably only about one car at this auction that I would bid on. Yeah, maybe about one car I'd bid on here. This one looks like it's blue. Stuff splattered everywhere. This one's definitely been repainted over. See the front up there. Yeah, guys, and I'm just floating through this auction because this was something that just came up out the blue, but I wanted to come and show you what they had, asked to see for myself, but it doesn't look like they got anything worth bidding on. It's literally only like one car here that I'd probably bid on. This Volkswagen right here looks pretty cool. Yeah. But I don't know, guys. What do you guys think about these cars? It's only like literally two cars. This one and that Nissan Sentra.